Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Grilljoy 46PC Griddle Accessories Set, an all-in-one toolkit designed to elevate your grilling game to professional levels. This comprehensive set includes everything from a robust stainless steel spatula kit to a 12.3-inch basting dome, perfect for cooking evenly and preventing oil splatters, making it ideal for flat-top grills, teppanyaki, and hibachi cooking. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a fingerprint-resistant plastic handle, these tools offer a firm grip and are built to last, ensuring they won't loosen, break, or creak during use. The set is dishwasher-safe and features a hanging hole for easy storage, making it both convenient and efficient for any cooking enthusiast. Whether you're flipping burgers, searing steaks, or making perfect pancakes, this kit has been expertly designed with anti-scratch and anti-slip properties, making it the go-to choice for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Packaged in an exquisite gift box with a spacious storage bag, this griddle set makes an ideal gift for family and friends on special occasions like birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So, if you're ready to cook like a pro and impress your guests with delicious, flavorful dishes, the Grilljoy Griddle Accessories Set is your ultimate companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.